Franchising has long been a path to business ownership, but finding the right opportunity can often be overwhelming. But Franzy, a company that's using AI-driven insights, is working to connect aspiring franchisees with top brands. To find out more on this, I am joined by Alex. He is the co-founder and CEO of Franzy. I just wanted to jump right into the conversation, but you work with thousands of our NYSE listed companies. Many that we were talking about, McDonald's, Planet Fitness, UPS. These are just a few of the names that you work with. Talk to me more about the motivation in starting Franzy and the concept behind this, how it all developed.
Yeah, so I've been a serial entrepreneur my whole life and experienced firsthand just how big that impact can be on you as an individual, the communities that you're operating in. And one of the things that I learned was the access to entrepreneurship is hard sometimes. You don't know where to start. What's the right business for me? Do I have to start something from scratch? Where do I get financing? And so I wanted to build a platform that made that incredibly accessible. We'll pair you with lenders, we'll pair you with the right brand, and we also give you a coach. All of this is free to walk you through that business buying process.
But I do want to talk to you about the data analytics and how do you utilize this technology to really help individuals make the best decision, and what makes your approach so unique from your competitors?
Yep, so we have a proprietary data set of over 3,000 franchise brands. So we take that, we've scraped all this financial information, customer reviews, and then we start to get first party data from you as a prospect. You come to the site and say, here's my risk tolerance, here's what my kind of financial situation is, here's my background and operational experience, and then these are my goals. We then use AI to start matching you with a top list of top 5 curated brands based on everything we know about you and everything we know about the brands, coupled with the conversations you're having with a coach. So there's still that human touch and that human element, but we're using a lot of data and AI power behind it to match you with the best fit and cut through the noise.
Talk to me about how key partnerships really enhance what you're trying to do with your business strategy and bottom line.
Yep, so we're working with a lot of the best lenders in the space for franchising. They know how to pair you with, is it an SBA loan or is it a Rob's rollover, which is it's a program that you can use to borrow against your 401k assets to start your own business. So it's really about making sure that we give you the resources you need every step of the way so that buying a business is less intimidating and more accessible for the average American.
What are the biggest pain points that your customers report seeing, or what are you seeing in the sectors?
So there's not a good place to start. People go down a Google rabbit hole and they're not sure, of the thousands of brands, how to filter it down, for what fits for me. There's business brokers that exist today that might not always be fully aligned with you as an individual. They make a 60% commission in some cases on the back end, and that's not always readily available or transparent. And so the pain point is access, transparency, and alignment, and Franzy hopes to solve that. Think of us as the Zillow for franchising.
And what's your biggest goal for 2025? And we have about 30 seconds left.
Yep, our goal for this year is to honestly help as many people become entrepreneurs as possible. Our lofty goal is to create 1 million entrepreneurs in the United States through our platform and through franchising specifically as a business model.
Well, thank you so much, Alex, for joining us today. It was great having you on the show. Again, Alex Smereczniak, he is co-founder and CEO at Franzy.